Hey everyone, I'm Coach Anthony Lane, powered by Connecting Lane. Have you ever looked in a mirror and just said to yourself, who are you? And what if the you that you've really been searching for was simply waiting to be remembered? Let's uncover it. There's been times in my life where I did exactly what I just said. I looked in a mirror and I just didn't recognize myself. No, not when my beard turned white or I grew a beard. It was just I didn't recognize myself because I was so lost from everything, from life, from people. I felt like I was slowly losing my identity. I was eroding slowly. I lost myself in the military. I lost myself when I got married. I lost myself when I had my kids. I was putting on a show for everyone else. And at times, I felt shame of the overachievement. And it was buried by everything else. My authenticity, it was gone. When I say it was gone, it was really gone. I was just putting on a show for everyone else. But here are 3 steps that you can do today to rebuild who you are and who you want to be. Have that clarity. Have a clear vision in your eyes, in your mind eye of who you want to be. And then after you get that, start building that confidence a little bit at a time. It only takes 1% a day to start building that confidence back up. And know your truth and who you are, who you've always been, and just remember that you are strong, you're confident, and you have that certainty. When you start rebuilding, it's going to hurt a little bit. So I want you to take this one action step today. I want you to ask yourself, the version of me that I've been suppressing, I've been pushing down, the version of me that I've been suppressing is. Then I would like for you to put that in the comments. The version of me that I've been suppressing is. Or if you don't want to, just think about it yourself. Say it to yourself in a mirror. As always, the journey back to you, your true self, it just began. I want you to keep building, keep becoming. I'm Coach Anthony Lane. I'm here to help you connect with your authentic self. Powered by Connecting Lane. Until the next video, connect with yourself, connect with your inner self, and everything will come together. I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy your day. Bye.